and I'm going to discuss with you how to solve it by hand, and later on we will use Desmos for it. So the first thing that we have to do is to isolate x, or isolate the x term. So meaning to say -4 is not needed here, so we need to add it, both sides of the equation. And so you have 3x raised to 1/3 is equal to 9. And since we are still in the process of isolating x, there's still like a 3 in here, so we will need to divide by 3. Okay, so you have now x raised to 1/3 is equal to 3. And when x is already isolated and by itself, nothing else except x and its exponent, what we need to do now is to take the exponent of each of the side of your equation to the reciprocal of your exponent. So you need to raise the whole equation with the reciprocal of the exponent of x. Okay? Alright, so the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3. Okay, the reason why we're doing that is because 1/3 of 3 is equivalent to 1, and making the exponent of x equivalent to 1, because that's what we needed. So therefore, our answer should have been 27. Now we will verify our answer using Desmos. So, okay, it's a symbol of what we are doing most of the time. It's y equals 3x raised to 1/3. And then -4, go down and -4, and then y equals 5. Okay, and then of course we need to find that point of intersection, and as you can see, the point of intersection is equivalent to 27. Okay, now let's go to the next example. So again, we follow the same procedure. Isolate the x term by removing everything beside it, okay, in such a way that what's left on the left side are just x and its exponent. So you have here to add 4 again on both sides of the equation. So that's 5x raised to 0.23 is equal to 21. And of course, we will divide by 5 because we wouldn't like to have a number beside x except by itself. So x equals x raised to 0.23 equals 21 over 5. Then after that, we need to raise the whole equation to the reciprocal of 0.23, and that is supposed to be 1 over 0.23. Same thing here, 1 over 0.23. Then of course, we need our calculator's help to do that for us. Okay, and then you have 21 over 5. Okay, and then exponent 1 divided by 0.23. And the answer should have been 512.6. Okay? And then, of course, we can verify our answer by just putting our equation in the y form. 5x raised to 0.23 minus 4, and then y equals 17. Now, since our answer is 512, we need to really like zoom our Desmos properly, and as you can see, it's the same as what we have when we do it by hand. So again, remember, to solve power functions, isolate first the x term with everything that's beside it, all the numbers, using the algebraic manipulations, and then towards the last, you need to raise the whole equation to the reciprocal of the exponent of x. And of course, you can verify the answer using the Desmos graphing calculator.